What's good? It's Mr. All Business from Big Business Music Group. And we all know this is the business behind the music. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about two things. I'm going to show you, one, how I use ChatGPT to develop a quick script for this same video, where we're going to be talking about how ASCAP, a publishing company, is free. And the registration is free for a temporary, I don't know how long. So, I encourage all artists to take advantage of it. And at the same time, I'm going to show people how easy it is to use ChatGPT to help you develop basically anything you want. It'll give you a blueprint, and then basically you could just use that as an outline to develop whatever it is that you need to develop. So it definitely kills a lot of time. And then I just definitely throw my personality and my own 2 cents into whatever it is they developed that I needed. So we're gonna check this video out and enjoy it. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and do all that good shit. Well, welcome to the channel. You already know what it is. This is Mr. All Business from Big Business Music Group, and we doing the business behind the music as usual. So right now we're gonna talk about ASCAP, which is the American Society of Composers and Authors and Publishers. ASCAP is one of the biggest performance and rights organizations in the game, making sure you get paid every time your music gets played on a radio, TV, streaming services, or even live venues. Look like the show off. You know what I'm talking about? So, these are the opportunities that artists have to get paid, not just from your royalties online, but what you do in live performances. So that's how important it is. So sometimes you don't think, oh, I don't want to pay to perform. But if you got your publishing and you work with the promoter to make sure that spot is licensed, then you start collecting money every time you perform there. Ooh, yeah, I dropped one for you. Here's the exciting part about ASCAP. ASCAP is waiving all their registration fees right now. That means you can sign up as a writer, publisher, or both completely free. This is the chance to join one of the trusted organizations in the music industry without spending a dime. So you can't beat this. You know what I'm saying? So if you're an artist right now and you don't have publishing and you're not rushing to ASCAP.com right now to sign up as not just a writer but also as a publishing company, so right there you covered all your bases. So I definitely encourage everybody to take advantage of it, because and it's not even that more expensive. Even when they do imply the fee, it was $50. And BMI, if you're interested to go in there, $8 for a publishing company. And to sign up as a writer, I don't remember, I think it was $75. So this is the kind of opportunity that don't come around often. Whether you're just starting out or already making moves, ASCAP got your back. Hit the link, sign up, and make sure your music gets the respect and the checks it deserves. The link will be in the description. Now you're gonna go to ASCAP.com. Once you get to the main menu, go to Join Now for free. Once you get to that screen, you're gonna see the 3 columns. You're gonna see writer for publisher, writer, and then you're gonna see publisher. Publisher costs $50, as you can see, non-refundable. As you can see, the writer and publisher column is free. Self-explanatory. That's what we're gonna do. As you can see, it says ASCAP royalties are split evenly between the writers and the publishers. Join us both to ensure you get paid everything you deserve. All thing that's needed requirements is your legal name, mailing address, valid email address, social security number, and you gotta be 18 and older. That's all you need, and you hit continue to continue on. Highlight that, and then we're gonna continue, but you gotta pick your business type, which usually to get started, you pick as an individual, sole proprietor, or you need is a doing business as certificate, and then you could get on and start your business and press continue. Now, as you can see, there's a whole list of things you have to complete with your writer, general information, where your writer royalties are going to, and the required documents, which is going to be a picture ID. Same information goes for the publisher's portion. You're going to have your publisher's general information, publisher's royalty, where your royalty is going to, the required ID requirements to know who you are, and then your application will be submitted. I'm going to continue real quick to show you the next page, just so you can see what the general information looks like. Like every other application, it's going to ask you Are you a member of any other organization for performing rights organizations? If you don't know, just put I'm not sure, but just put no, fill out the rest of the questions, and then you go through the rest of the portions of the applications that need to be submitted. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you need any assistance, again, my information will be in the description box, so you just reach out and you can holler at me and I'll help you get through. As you can see, this is my account. Renzo Charles Publishing is already up. You actually can see if I go in and show you the number of my works. And if I'm not mistaken, I got 28. So you can see, you get your catalog out.
World changer.
Yeah, world changer. Yeah, big world changer. World changer, nigga. Look. World changes, the new Panthers, I'm the answer. Gangsters salute me, the ladies calling him handsome. Got his own breach, you ain't gotta advance him. Brought the Ghost Gang with me and this the anthem. Next you gon' see what I'm on about me and mine. Move GODSPEED, I'm never on demon time. And I got motion, the bend seats recline. Not a bunch of made up shit, I speak my mind. This the flow, the game feel like Tyson. Bag for the Brady tags, 20 on Brightlands. Address me as the big ghost of your highness. Big smoke, Fajite is the finest. Big smoke, yeah, I'm on that District Diamonds. Tapped in with the plug, and we switched the prices. Everything righteous, especially a verse from me, New York Knicks, the Brady University.
Cancel, so I'm calling shots. Boss big, been paid, I don't punch clocks. Pretty bitch, I with hood niggas on the block. Keep a fresh set of nails just to grip the clock. Got my own bag, but I wanna spin yours. Fly me all across the world like we on tour. Ass out, all in Paris, I'm like bonjour. Pussy too good to let a nigga fuck me raw. What you saying? Let's get money while you playing. Moving bricks, got the scale, so let's weigh it. I don't care what's the tab, he gon' pay it. Be you on fly shit, always slaying. Bars bitch on the track, I'ma lay it. And if you think it, then you know I'm gonna say it. Let me hold it, then you know that I'm gonna spray it. On up that down, you know that I'm Joseing. Bars bitch, Dolly motherfucking sorry.
Yeah, y'all know what it is, man. Big world changer. Big business music group. Take
Big
over.
business music group.